Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will try to solve another Java problem, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you can see, I have written the problem statement, right? So now I will just read the problem statement. Write a program that can print all the subarrays of a given array, right? So user has to print all the subarrays of the given array, right? For example, we have taken n value as 3, right? And in the array, I have given 1, 2, 3 values, right? So this is the array, right? So you have to form the subarrays from this array, right? You have to form subarrays from this array, right? So when you form, you will get like this. So first one is 1, and next 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, right? And after that 2, 2, 3, right? And after that 3. So this is the subarray for this 1, 2, 3 array, right? I hope you understand how to form subarrays for the given array, right? So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. So I have written import java.util.star, right? So that I can use scanner class. So scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot it, right? So after that I will write int n is equal to sc dot next int, right? So after that I will take an array, right? And after that I will take a for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. And after that I will open the for loop and I will write ar of I is equal to sc dot next int, right? So after that I will take another for loop, right? Which start from I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, right? So this for loop is for subarrays, right? So first you will get 1, 2, 3. So this subarray, and after that you'll get this subarray, and after that you'll get this subarray, right? So we are having 3 subarrays, right? Right? So to divide that subarrays, we are using this for loop. So when I is equal to 0, then you'll get 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And when I is equal to 1, you'll get 2, 2, 3. Right? And so on. Right? I hope you understand. So this for loop is for that case. Right? And I will use another for loop which starts from and j is equal to I, j less than n, and j plus plus. Right? So inside it, I will take another for loop which k is equal to I, k less than or equal to j, right? And k plus plus, right? So this for loop, j for loop is used to travel for one line. For example, first we are having 1, right? First we are having 1, and after that we are having 1, 2, right? Like j will be helpful for k loop to travel from starting position to the ending position, right? Like j for loop will tell to the k for loop that where you have to start and where you have to end it, right? See here. So j will start from I, right? K also starting from I, right? So like until j, the k has to travel, right? K less than or equal to j. Like, so each time j will tell you, like j will tell the k that how many times you have to traverse, right? So for that, like by using this j and k for loop, we can write like this: 1 1 2 1 2 3, right? I hope you understand. So don't worry, after executing this program I'll explain again. So and after that I will write println, right? So each time you have to, so after one iteration you have to come to the next line, right? After second iteration you have to come to the next line, right? So for that I have taken this println, system.out.println, right? I hope you understand. So let's run this program. Let's click on F5, right? We got the output. Let's give an value 3 and I'll give 1 2 3. So these are the array values. So when I click enter, then you get the subarray, right? Which is 1 1 2 1 2 3 and 2 2 3 and 3, right? I hope you understand. So see here. So first of all we have taken int I is equal to 0, right? First we have taken int I is equal to 0, which is 1, right? See here, I'll give 0 and I'll give 1 and I'll give 2 here, right? So each time you have to, like, first I have given int I is equal to 0, which is 1, right? So here int I is equal to 0 1 and j is equal to I, right? So what is I value? 0, and which is also 1, and k is equal to I, which is also 1, because I is equal to 0, right? Then first time you will print 1, right? First time you have to print 1, right? So when k is equal to I, so which is 0, I is equal to 0, which is index 0, and in the index 0 we are having 1, so that value will be printed, right? So 0 less than or equal to 0, right? Passed, and k value will be incremented, right? So first k value is 0, right? Then k value will be incremented to 1. So 1 less than or equal to 0, the condition failed. 1 less than or equal to 0, condition failed. So then it will come to the j loop again. It will come to the j loop again, and j value will be incremented. First it is 0 and it will be incremented again. So now it is 1, right? Again the k loop will be executed, right? So what is the I value? Which is 0 to 1. It has to travel now 0 to 1, right? I hope you understand. So what is I value? Which is 0, right? K is 0. So when k is 0, you will print 1, and when k is 1, right, then the k value will be incremented, right? First it is 0. When k is equal to 0, you will print 1. When k is equal to 1, you will print 2. So that's why you get 1 and 2, right? I hope you understand. And after that the k value will be incremented, right? Now it is 2. Now it is 2. So what is j value? 1, right? So 2 less than or equal to 1, the condition again fails, right? I hope you understand. Again it will come to the j for loop. Previously it is 1, and the j for loop will be incremented. Now it is 2. Now it is 2. J value is 2. So k should be travel until 2. So when k is equal to 0, it will print 1, right? When k is equal to 0, you will print 1. When k is equal to 1, you will print 2, and when k is equal to 2, you will print 3, right? And when k value will be incremented to 3, so 3 less than or equal to 2, right? The condition fails. Then again you will come to the j for loop, right? So previously it is 2. Previously it is 2, right? Now j value will be incremented to 3, right? So 3 less than 3, and value is also 3, right? So 3 less than 3, and this condition also fails. Then it will come to the I here, right? So first it is 0, then I value will be incremented to 1, right? So when it is 0, you will get 1 1 2 1 2 3, right? Then when I is equal to 1, then you will get 2 3, right? And after that when I is equal to 2, then you'll get only 3. Right? I hope you understand why we have written 3 for loops. Right? I hope you understand. Right? And if you have any doubts in this program, just please comment in the chat and I will definitely help you out. Right? And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon, then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.